I'm so sleepy.
Gonna really want it to go out. And then it just had to start raining at that particular time.
Yeah.
We're going through these like crazy again.
Do you want to share one then?
Yeah.
Okay. That's cool. We can do that.
This is downstairs. Well, I got the well totally covered with that thing.
Oh, good.
Did you see that?
No.
Yeah, sure.
Kind of focus on like the inside of that window. Is what I want to do because I think I can get it better. I mean, it's a lot better than what it was.
Yeah.
Before we put it there.
Oh, here.
Oh, thanks. But I think I can do a little better. I mean, I don't know if that would necessarily help, but I would like to try.
Yeah. It's that damn fucking window. There's just gotta be something.
Needs a whole new window or a new thingamajigger.
You can't put a window there.
I heard something else. Yeah,
That's a new board that's in there.
I know.
So I don't.
What was I gonna say? Oh yeah, because I remember Tony came over and he did that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because Dad, we couldn't get it out.
Right.
Tony just 1, 2, 3 got it out.
Yeah.
So it's like 2.65 inches.
Now it changed again.
Yeah. It keeps changing.
What the heck? Careful with being on that phone though. With this, especially with the lightning. And you too, Andy.
Now it's saying this one's went from 3 to 4 inches to 1 to 2 inches.
Is that okay? The weather channel. Okay.
Yeah. So it went down, which is better than going up.
I would think so. Yeah.
And the other one's saying 2.65, and this one's saying 1 to 2.
Yeah. Some of that lightning though. Here you go.
Yeah, it can get
Looks
intense.
really cool though.
Oh,
Yeah. Cool, Andy.
that was cool.
No, she can't. Mom.
Do. You finish it.
Oh, thank you.
It's just a beautiful light rain.
It's yeah. You know, it'd be really cool if you just had like a lightning storm.
Yeah. And it was cool.
The way it like when you see the lightning, just the way the shape of it, everything. It's fascinating.
Yeah, that thing with that Elvis thing, I showed you that a couple of years ago. I said, doesn't it look like Elvis?
I don't remember that.
Oh, yeah, I did. I've known for a long time. He ain't dead.
Yeah, he'd be 91 right now.
Mm-hmm.
Or is 91.
Elvis isn't dead. He had to do that to get away from that jerk.
Yeah.
He was never going to let him go.
I remember too. There's a documentary about that, and that Elvis wanted to go overseas because there's a lot of fan base in like Europe and stuff, and Colonel Tom never would let him go because he couldn't go to Europe. Whoa.
Now, it's either God shifting the weather or it's them with the chemtrails making it so bad because they want you to forget about everything that's going on and only concentrate and be Satan wants you afraid.
Yeah, but I think this is God.
Things are happening so fast. All I know is we're all protected by the Lord Jesus, so we're not going to worry about it. Enemy, come and make me get scared. You can't do it. And he's going to keep doing things like this until, and over and over and over again to get you to turn around.
Yeah. You want the last book?
Ain't gonna work. Because as bad as things get, without God, they would have been worse.
Exactly.
Whoa. Why can't it just be like this all night? Just drizzle.
Right. Okay, I'm gonna go in and lay down on the couch for a little bit because I still feel kind of with my headache. It's not as bad, but it's kind of humid out.
I feel sick to my stomach.
I don't feel so good either.
Come on, Andy. It's not doing anything. Not
Not too long. Okay.
All right. Especially with that phone being on.
Yeah.
I did. It just went beep, 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 beep. And that came up. That just came up. Oh, watch, it's a warning. But
Couple minutes.
I don't. If it is, then why isn't sirens going off? Northwest South Milwaukee Sullivan. See? But there's no sirens. Oh, there they go. Get in the house now. There they go. To be near us at 7:10. Walker's River is Anthony. Yeah. Brookfield 7:15. Yeah, it's just. Andy, come on. Mom wants to. Come back out after 7:45. Yeah, no, it's fine. It is awfully quiet out there. If it would be like this all night, it'd be great. And you're almost done. Lots of lightning.
dinner. The guy talking, oh yeah, dinner.
Andy, I gotta sit with the dogs.